Hello and welcome back guys to the Tech Journal 24. Today we will review Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So let's start. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's giant size will be divisive, but beyond that, this is a super powerful, if super expensive, tablet that's great for work or play. Its S Pen, powerful chipset and good-looking screen all make it incredibly useful. You'll need to buy a case for it, though, because it feels a little fragile. With the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, we can see that someone at Samsung has watched Spinal Tap because the company has really taken the popular line "Turn it up to 11" to heart. In the constant game of one-up-manship between Samsung and Apple, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro has owned the title of biggest tablet for quite some years now, but the Tab S8 Ultra shows Samsung turning its own slate size up to 11, metaphorically, not literally, with its giant 14.6-inch display. This is a huge tablet, there's no way around that fact, and depending on your gadget preferences, that's either a major selling point or an insurmountable issue that'll put you off. We haven't seen a tablet that big before, even laptops don't always hit that size. This is a Leviathan. However, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is large and unwieldy to carry around, and it feels pretty fragile thanks to its size. The magnetic S Pen strip is in a silly location. Android simply isn't iPadOS when it comes to functionality, so you'll probably need to buy a case to protect it. And of course, a chunky display means a chunky price tag. We wouldn't be surprised if people opt for the Galaxy Tab S8 or S8 Plus instead, as their main differences are simply their 11-inch and 12.4-inch displays. There are other small changes too. On the plus side, lots of the key selling points of the Galaxy phones are shared between them. They're super powerful thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. They come with a useful S Pen stylus, which makes sketching and note-taking convenient. They use good-looking AMOLED screens, and there's 5G connectivity available. So there are plenty of reasons to opt for the tablet, especially if you want one of the best Android tablets and money is no object. If money is an issue, we'd look to another Tab S8 or a Slate from Lenovo or Amazon. We enjoyed our time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, even with the comments of "what is that" and "why is that tablet so big?" coming from people who saw us use the thing. Opinions were divided on whether it was the coolest thing ever or a little ridiculous. We can safely say that, if you're in the first camp, this is a great tablet for you. If you're in the second, you'll hate it. Hope I was very much clear with the review, and if you're excited at the thought of this massive 14.6-inch display, you'll love the experience of using it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.